back in over here. We're gonna put the turbo back on. All the injectors are in. Everything's done there. Put the fan back on. I'm trying to figure out the belt routing real quick in our book that we got for the 6.5. If not, we'll probably just Google it. So we got everything coming back in. Finally got the belt on, the fan. We're gonna add the fan shroud, everything. He's hooking up the turbo. Then we just got to put the intake on, the oil feed tube back on. The problem is what we're having now. We want to start it today if we can, but this truck is sat over a year, so we don't want to run it with the tank, the fuel that is in the tank. So what we have to figure out, is a way to get all the fuel out, or just simply run an auxiliary fuel from that fuel tank over there. So we're gonna try to figure if we could pump it all out anyway, and then run an auxiliary fuel just so we can get it started, run it off of perfectly clean fuel, because we just put new injectors in it, the new pump, everything. We don't want to run any algae fuel or anything wrong, with the fuel source. So that's our objective now. We don't know if we're going to start it today, but follow up if we decide to crack these lines open, and we'll update you. So we got the intake all repainted. Hooking up the radiator hose, intake's in, all painted and looking good. Another part of the intake, looks good. Got to connect all of our wires. The turbo's in, PMD relocation kit hooked up, fan belt off, because he had to put the oil filler. I think we got a problem with our leaky turbo here, but not a big deal. We'll figure it out. So we're working late. We're swapping out the lift pump on the frame. And then we got this pulling all the diesel fuel out from the tank. Hooked up a battery. So we had those vice grips to hold it. But just a simple pump. And yeah, that's some bad diesel fuel. Oh yeah, it's real bad. Otherwise, everything's all wrapped up. We're here working under a tree. So we just dumped all the old fuel out. The thing had a full tank of fuel when we got it, so we just drained like over 20-something gallons. Changed the filter, and we changed the lift pump on the frame rail because we thought it was ticking weird. But we put this new one in, and this one's still ticking. We got some weird problems with the lighting in here, so you hear it ticking. Whoa. You getting fuel? All right. It's just a little bit of diesel fuel, isn't it?